allegedly killed for love faced the second day of his preliminary hearing today. Jonathan Hearn is accused of killing his lover's husband. This is back in August of last year. 23 ABC's Tweelon Nugent has details on what went on during that hearing. Tweelon.
The second day of Jonathan Hearn's preliminary trial wrapped up fairly quickly. Judge Charles Bramer took less than 10 minutes to review materials before deciding that there is enough evidence to place Hearn in front of a jury. A phone conversation between Jonathan Hearn and Sabrina Lamone played in court today. The couple discussed surveillance video from a gas station near the BNSF Railway Company where Robert Lamone's body was found. They also talked about their affair and how one day they could hopefully put this all behind them and be together in eternity. Several transcripts, letters, and phone conversations were booked into evidence, but much more is expected.
It's going to be a little bit different at trial. Obviously, it'll be a lot longer. There'll be a lot more evidence from both sides. So today gives us an indication that there's some evidence.
Defense hopes that when additional evidence is presented, the jury will decide fairly.
When a juror is presented with evidence, it can be interpreted two ways, one of which points to innocence and one of which points to guilt. And both are reasonable conclusions. They must reject the conclusion that points to guilt and accept the conclusion that points to innocence.
The judge has decided current evidence is sufficient to charge Hearn with murder and the enhancements of lying in wait and discharge of a firearm resulting in bodily harm or death. Those enhancements have the possibility of increasing punishment if Hearn is found guilty. In the beginning of Hearn's preliminary hearing, prosecution did decide not to pursue the death penalty. Hearn will be arraigned on August 5th. For the newest details on this case, be sure to follow us on social media and check turn23.com.